We're going to do something from my childhood today on Did you ever have something when you were a child that just stuck in your mind and you remembered it way up into adulthood? This is one of those things with me. I believe it was around Easter. I'm not sure how old I was. But my mom made this stuff called eggs a la Goldenrod. And I did a search the other day and I found the recipe from Betty Crocker. And I can't follow it exactly because I don't have gold medal flour, but I do have everything else. What we're going to start with is we've got 2 tablespoons of butter. Put that in the pan. Let that sizzle up a little bit. And then we've got 2 tablespoons of flour. And basically what we're doing here is making a roux. Let me turn the temperature down on this just a hair. I have to look at it or I'll burn myself for sure. So we're just going to do this until it gets kind of soft without burning the bottom of the pan. That's why I lifted it up. Yep, there we go. So now I'm going to add 1 cup of milk. Stir that. Until it gets thick. And this doesn't take long at all, I don't believe. Like I say, we're basically making a roux. And I wish I had more overhead cam, but right before I started this video, I had a little mishap with it. So I'll be working on it so we can watch it next time for my next video. So, you don't need to watch me stir. We'll probably fast forward or something through this. So, y'all hang in there. And we're back. And our roux is thickening up pretty good. So let me put the heat on pause. There we go. And the next thing on the recipe says, over there, says to fold in 4 egg whites, finely chopped. 4 boiled eggs, egg whites. That's what this is. So we're going to plop. That was a fold for somebody that folds really quick. Anyway. And my roux isn't as white as I would have liked. But that's because it got really hot and I ended up with a little bit of brown butter. But that's okay. So far it looks good. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take and make toast points. Which basically means we're going to cut this thing diagonally 4 times. Or 2 times. To make 4. You know what I mean. Alright. The one thing I did forget, and I knew I'd forget something, was I forgot a fork to taste it with. So if a fork was magically to appear in my hand, if I just said, fork. So, let's take some of this and put it on our toast. And here is the reason why this is called eggs a la Goldenrod. Because you take the yolks of the eggs and you smash them up and it looks like the flowers on the goldenrod plant. Goldenrod plant. Say that 3 times fast with false teeth. Goldenrod plant, goldenrod plant. Never mind. Now, we just put a little goldenrod on there. Yeah, that's golden. And if I remember correctly, my mom made this. She just put the whole eggs and everything in there. Forget about the fancy stuff. We ended up with just eggs in the roux. But that's okay. And the recipe calls for salt and pepper, but I'm using salted butter. And I didn't really want to put pepper in it, because to be honest, I'm going to feed it to my wife, and she's not a pepper person. So let's just try some of this. Here we go. Don't want to make a mess. That's what I remember. Yeah. Yeah. Eggs a la Goldenrod. Probably good around Easter time when you've got lots of Easter eggs hanging around. You don't know what to do with them. I would put a little salt and pepper in it. Anyway, I hope you liked this video. And if you did, please like and subscribe. Click on my little face over here. And don't forget, do not forget to click the notification bell so you get notified whenever I do something else stupid. And we'll talk to you later. Bye.